Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this video, I will show you how to buy the Trump coin on OKX in 2025. It's easier than you think, and I will break it down step by step to help you make your first purchase smoothly. So guys, let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So normally the first thing that you will need to do is to check if the OKX platform has the Trump coin. Usually simply by writing in Google Chrome or your browser OKX Trump and search if it's available by checking one of these links. Now as you can see, it seems like it is available and it is tradable, which is good. Let's go back in here. First we need to actually create an account. So let's smooth this up by simply choosing Google, and then I'm gonna just sign in the fastest way possible. As you can see here, they will send us an email. So let's go to our accounts, go to inbox, and simply here go here and copy this numbers and click on next. So as you can see, the login has been done, and now we simply have to log in once more so this session can be logged without any problems. So you've made so many requests in short periods, please wait before trying again. There is no problem, so let's just wait a couple of seconds. I can do this. Is it gonna work? Nope. Let's just wait for another one. Recent code, and we are gonna wait for a couple of seconds. So once you have done that, you can now go to your account. We're gonna skip all of these things and start by buying some cryptocurrency. So to buy crypto in here, you simply have to go into one of these things. So here, let me just skip. So there is the P2P trading and the express trading. Normally the express trading is what people would use to get the token the fastest way possible, but here in P2P you could get it for a fair and better prices in case you would like to negotiate and etc. Because P2P stands for person to person or peer to peer, which basically you are going to connect with another human being and connect and see the prices. And as you can see here, there is several amount of prices that you can go for. Depending on the amount that you're gonna buy, you can find a very good amount of pay or prices, and basically different amounts of payment method that's not gonna be available normally with the express method. Now the express method is pretty simple. Choose your currency and put it in the first like field. The second thing here is to choose the currency that you're gonna buy. Now I will show you in this video so many methods. So the first method to buy the Trump token within OKX is simple. Just put here the amount that you want to buy or you want to spend of USDT, and you will receive right in here and the amount of Trump. So you just have to search for it. Normally in other platforms you will find it, but unfortunately for OKX they are not allowing you to do that. So in that case, you are going exactly to buy USDT and put here the amount. Here it is here, reference price 1 USDT equals to 1 USD, select payment method, and once you select the payment method, they will tell you to actually verify your identity. To verify your identity, you have to share your country and basically give them some ID, like a self ID picture and selfie verification and some other like personal information. The whole process can take about 10 minutes, so it will not bother you that much. The same steps will go vice versa if you want to sell, so that's something to know. So you just have to turn this like convert it to the other way, and you will be able to sell your cryptocurrency and receive them in your bank account. Now for P2P, the same thing, buy into the amounts and etc. Now let's say that you have bought your USDT and you have your tokens between your hands. What to do? So normally you can go to my assets, and in my assets area you will find here every single asset that you have. So here you'll find funding. In the funding area you will have all the cryptocurrencies that you own. Now let's search for Trump, and as you can see, here it is. So this is the token Trump that we talked about, and as you want to know, this is how you can get it. There is 4 ways to get it. It's either by depositing it, withdrawing it, transferring it or earning it. Now to earn it, well, here as you can see, you have to either like stake it, to do a lot of work, which is basically overwhelming, and you don't want to wait a couple of days to buy the token. So we're not going to go with this way. As long as we have USDT as we bought it in the beginning of this video, we can actually get the Trump token the fastest way possible. So let's go here and go to buy crypto, or basically I mean trade, and in this area I'm going to click on trade and basically click on spot and wait for it a little bit, and this page should be opened. Here on the left you will find the token, so you can search here for crypto, and let's search for Trump. And here it is. Let me just check the prices to know which one I want. Yeah, they're the same. So let's go with the spot one, and there it is. So here in this area, you will be able to actually buy the Trump token. How does it work? Simply put here the amount of Trump that you want to buy, or the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to get the X amount of Trump. So for example, if I want to buy 100 Trumps, then I will have to pay 6,788.8 cents of USDT. If it was the vice versa, then I'm gonna put here, for example, I'm willing to spend $2,000. Then you're gonna get 29.46 worth of Trump token. So this is exactly how you can get the amount of Trumps, and what else is to do is basically clicking on this buy Trump button. Once you have done that, then you are good to go, and the process will be done once you click on it. Now let's say you want to sell it, then just do the same process that you did here in this area and click on the sell Trump button, and you will be able to actually sell it. And it is very easy and very simple. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems that you want to talk about, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.